This is the transition that we are going to create in this lecture. It's based on the transition we created in the previous lecture, also using radial wipe, and you will learn a couple of tricks here. To start, let's select rectangles and its matte and press Ctrl D, so we have both of them here. Double click on rectangle 2 and then come to the name here, says close other comps. Cool. In rectangle 2, I don't want to have a rectangle matte, I want to have a rectangle matte 2. So I will select both of them like you see, they are highlighted. Press the Alt or the Option key on the Mac, click and drag and drop it. So everything is the same except we have rectangle matte 2, okay, and we have rectangle 2. I would double click on rectangle matte 2 and we have already here the animation opening. Fine. So I will select all the layers, right click and pre-compose, and let's call them, for example, rectangles both sides. So the first one, maybe we change the name from rectangles matte to rectangles right matte. Okay, no problem. Then I'm coming back to rectangle matte 2. I have the simple animation that's still there. I will take a rectangle both sides and drop another copy over here. So notice like nothing is happening. So now we have just two of them on top of each other. That's very fine. What I will do is very simple. Just a small tip if you like. I will just open the rotation and rotate the whole composition 180 degrees. Here you are. So now if you play, all you have is both of them coming and it doesn't look good at all. It's just opening on the right side for the top one. To solve this problem or to add more things here, we are going to play with the mode. If you change the mode, for example, to screen, now you have something quite logical that's happening here. Pretty nice, by the way. Here you are. Okay, see it? Pretty nice. Let's go and see it on the main composition. It should be rectangle 2. That's it. And we play. You have something pretty beautiful and quite, I would say refined here. You can see the bottom video coming in and then it opens at 100%. Now, I have used screen, but you can come over and decide, okay, I want to use, for example, multiply. Let's look at the animation here if it makes sense. Yes, not bad. Actually, it's pretty cool. Let's go try it on the other side. Here you are. If you play, it's opening and then the last one opens like in a diamond. So actually this is all about the radial wipe and how to create this kind of transitions. Of course you can come and play a lot, change the mode the way you would like, change the position, for example make 4 of them each at a certain angle, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270, and you will have 4 of them opening with some amalgam of kaleidoscope kind of transition. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.